Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn advanced grammar and style, precision in writing together, step by step. Advanced writing demands parallel structure. Items in a list or pair must share the same grammatical form. Mixing, hiking, to swim, and biked jolts the reader and looks careless. Make them all match: hiking, swimming, and biking. Once you set a pattern, hold it through the whole series. Parallelism makes sentences feel balanced, professional, and easy to follow, which graders and readers reward. The subjunctive mood expresses wishes in situations that aren't real. Here's the rule that trips people up. For a hypothetical, use were, not was. If I were the principal is correct because you aren't actually the principal. Say, I wish I were taller, not was. Mastering the subjunctive signals polished, advanced writing, and it's a favorite point on rigorous grammar assessments. 2 marks confuse writers. A semicolon links 2 complete related sentences without a conjunction. The rain stopped, the game resumed. A colon introduces a list or an explanation, as in, pack 3 things: water, a map, snacks. The test is simple. If a full sentence sits on both sides, use a semicolon. If you're announcing what follows, use a colon. Precision here sharpens your style instantly. Great style isn't just correct, it has rhythm. If every sentence is the same short length, the writing feels choppy and flat. Combine some ideas into longer sentences, then drop in a brief one for emphasis. This variety controls the reader's pace, like music. As you revise, read your work aloud. Where it sounds monotonous, vary your sentence length to bring the prose to life. Here's your advanced style checklist. 1. Keep every item in a list parallel in form. 2. Use were, not was for unreal hypothetical clauses. 3. A semicolon joins 2 full sentences while a colon introduces a list or explanation. 4. Vary your sentence length to create rhythm. Run this checklist on every paragraph, and your writing will read with real precision and polish. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.